What's the meaning of big-headed? Big-headed. Big-headed.
Big-headed. Big-headed. The term big-headed is often used to describe someone who is arrogant or has a high opinion of themselves. It can also refer to someone who is self-centered and believes they are better than others. This trait can be seen in various contexts, such as in personal relationships, professional settings, or in sports. Being big-headed can lead to a lack of empathy and an inflated sense of self-importance, which can damage relationships and hinder personal growth. It's important to maintain a healthy level of confidence without crossing into arrogance, as it can negatively impact both oneself and those around them.